the answer is no, then it is best for you to not attend a place, whether it's school or work, where there is fitna for you. I'm a family man. If you push me too far, I just might. Therefore, no. We say stay home, try to learn online. Sumayya from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
My question is, so what's the ruling on a female Muslim living in a Kafir country, going to a mixed school or college when she doesn't have the funds, or her family doesn't have the funds to get a private segregated education, and it's free, it's college, so is it haram to go or not?
First of all, we have to weigh the pros and the cons. Secondly, we have to look into the necessity. So for a woman to uncover herself, to take off her hijab, is totally prohibited. There is no question about that, none whatsoever. But if she has to undergo a surgery, or the doctor has to look in order to treat her from her illness, this is a necessity. So we look at need. When a woman says, I have to go to school, I say, is it a necessity? Is it a life or death situation? If the answer is no, then it is best for you to not attend a place, whether it's school or work, where there is fitna for you, where you will be ordered to take off your hijab or compromise your Islam or be forced to free mix, and when you're young and immature or not that religious, and a lot of fitna and temptation is around you, peer pressure. As they say, I'm a family man. If you push me too far, I just might. Therefore, no. We say stay home, try to learn online, get as much knowledge as you can in a safe environment. You don't have to work. Alhamdulillah, you have parents, you have siblings, you have people to take care of you, and inshallah, soon you'll be married and off with your husband. But if you say to me, Sheikh, I am fully abiding by the hijab, the school I go to is semi-segregated, where they allow the girls to sit in one side, the boys sit on one side, and they don't mix with us, they don't speak or chit-chat or socialize with us. I go to school, they don't force us to attend physical education classes, they don't force us to take off our hijab and abaya and wear sportswear or go to the swimming pool and